Sure, you can make a really good paella in a large skillet or even a roasting pan. So is it worth it to buy a paella pan, which is built just for that job? Well, Adam is here to let us know.
It all depends on authenticity, Bridget. If you want a nice, authentic grilled paella, it's really worth having a paella pan. We had 5 pans in our lineup, and the price range was $24.95 to $79. Now, this one is made of stainless steel. All the other 4 are made of carbon steel. This one is enameled carbon steel so that you don't really have to treat it special. You can just wash it off and go. These 3 are raw carbon steel, and those have got to be seasoned, just like a cast iron pan before you use it.
I do notice 4 of these have dimples in them. These 4, and this does not.
Well, the dimples are there for moisture distribution. And should I give you the big reveal?
Yes.
Didn't make any difference in our cooking.
Okay.
We did not notice any difference. What we did is we made our traditional grilled paella. We did it on both charcoal grill and a gas grill. And the good news is that all of these pans pretty much delivered. Now, you also know that the recipe takes some fiddling around. You have to rotate the pan, you have to move it around on the fire just to make sure that the heat is even. Some of these pans required more fiddling, others less. The one right in front of us required the least fiddling of all and gave us the most beautiful sukara of all. And that's because it's heavy. Pick that thing up. Exactly.
Yes.
It's 7.4 pounds, which was far and away the heaviest pan. That's because the metal from which it's made is the thickest of all the metal of these pans. This is 3 millimeters thick, and you know, more metal absorbs more heat, distributes it more evenly, and cooks more evenly. Another thing that our testers really liked about this pan were the handles. You can see that they're the only ones that stick up. And that just made it easier to turn. When we did have to turn, it also kept testers' hands a little further away from the flames.
Much safer.
Much safer. In the end, this was our winning paella pan. This is the Matfer Borjat Black Steel Paella Pan. It's $49.98. It gave us a gorgeous, authentic-looking paella. The rice was uniformly cooked. The sakura was perfect and generous. You know, it's a single-use pan, but if you're a paella aficionado, it's less than 50 bucks. It's pretty much worth it, isn't it?
So if you make paella on the grill, well, you can use a lot of different pans, but why not use a paella pan? And while any of these will give you great paella, our favorite was the Matfer Borjat Black Steel Paella Pan at $49.98.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.